Hello everyone, welcome back to CKA series. Today I am going to discuss one more CKA exam question which is related to Argo installation via Helm. Okay, here again 4 sections like I said. So let's discuss problem statement quickly here, what they are exactly asking you. See, like I said earlier, there is SSH command. You have to use that SSH command and you have to log in appropriate node. Once the problem completed, you have to exit from worker node, because for every problem they give you one SSH command, so you have to only log in that appropriate node. If you are beginner or first time you are giving Kubernetes certification, that will be confused for you. Okay, now let's discuss what exactly here they are asking. At the following Argo Helm repository named Argo. Here you have to do three things. First, you have to add Argo Helm repository named Argo. With the name Argo, you have to add this Argo Helm repository. They don't give you any Argo Helm URL. You have to by heart that thing. Okay. Now use ArgoCD chart version. You have to use this chart version, and the next thing you have to do is, first thing you have to do, add Argo Helm repo. Second thing, generate Helm template, and you have to store that Helm template in this location, in this file. Here one catch is there, you have to skip this CRD installation because CRDs is already set up. So make sure you have to skip those CRD installations. That's the main tricky here. Install ArgoCD using, once you generate Helm template, now you have to install ArgoCD using Helm chart, ensuring CRDs are not reinstalled. That is all about the problem. Let's first we have to bring up the Kubernetes cluster. We can use killer coda here. Now I quickly bring up this 1.35 version. Let's see here, one control plane and one worker node. Okay, now we have to set up the practice scenario. For this question, the practice scenario is like, in this question they clearly say CRD is already installed. So in my practice setup scenario, I set up these CRDs. Irrespective of how many times you will run, it always make sure to meet problem statement. Now let's create this setup.sh. Now you have to give the execute permission. Now you have to run this script. So what it does, it will install the CRDs. If you observe here, API resource grep Argo. CRDs already exist now. Now you have to start the solution. First you have to add here, like I said, you have to add official Argo Helm repository with the name Argo. Let's do that. Helm is already there. Helm repo add Argo. Whatever the name they ask you in exam, you have to use that name only. Okay, Argo, and the URL is, they don't give you URL, you have to by add this one. Argo proj.github.io .argo-helm. Even if you forget this one, if you add anything here, for example ArgoCD, if repository is not there, they give you the 404 error, so you will know that thing. Okay, now this is the exact one. After adding, you have to update this one. Now they also give you the version, you have to generate template. Now let's search this version first. Helm search repo, Helm search repo. What is the name of the repo we added? Argo, with the name of Argo. Okay, we have to use that one. See, this much of packages is available. Let me, in this we have to install ArgoCD. There are several other packages also there, but you have to install ArgoCD only. Now if you observe here, that's why I give you Argo-CD. Now the chart version is this one, latest version, but you have to install that version. But how can you make sure that version is existing? Or you have to add this same command, versions. It will give you all the versions, and you have to grab the whatever the version they ask you. See, the version is exist here, so you can install using. After adding Argo Helm repo, you have to generate Helm template and store in this file only. Okay, whatever the file they give you in exam. And main thing is you have to skip this Argo CRD install. CRD is already installed in the cluster. So command is Helm template ArgoCD Argo -cd -namespace ArgoCD They don't give you namespace sometimes in the problem statement, but if you observe here, the CRD is installed whatever the namespace ArgoCD, so you have to use that one only. Okay, Helm template ArgoCD, package name I'm giving in the repo Argo we just added, and Argo-CD is the package, actual package name of the ArgoCD. And what is the namespace I have to mention here? ArgoCD. And also version I have to mention here. Version is 5.5.22, and have to skip this main thing is CRD's install is equal to false. Okay, that's all about this command, Helm template command. And you have to, if you enter here, it will give you the command output, but you have to store in the location whatever the mention earlier. In the problem statement they give you have to restore in this location with that file name. Once it is done, you have to cross check here, and also cross check is CRDs are come or not. Grab, yes, no CRDs are there in this. Now this is the second one, and third one you have to install ArgoCD using Helm chart. CRD is not reinstalled. Let's do that thing also. Helm install ArgoCD, ArgoCD, namespace ArgoCD version, chart version 5.5.22, and -set install CRDs install is equal to false. Now it is completed. Now if you check here, the ArgoCD namespace containers are creating. Just wait until it is up and running, then this problem is completed. You can move to another problem. So here you have to do three things. First you have to add Argo Helm repo, and you have to generate Helm template, and you have to install Argo using Helm. In the solution doc, I clearly gave you what commands you have to run clearly. Once it is done, you have to run this restore script, so it is, you can start another problem quickly. Let's do that also. In exam, once these are all up and running, you can exit this worker node and you can start another problem. Okay, now I'm running this setup.sh, reset.sh, give exit permission. So here it will be delete everything, ArgoCD, whatever the ArgoCD we installed, even if it is remove on Helm also. Okay, it doesn't require, but it is remove everything. Now that's all about the video. I will come up with another problem statement. Thanks for watching the video.